My name is Denise and this is Taryn, and we've been working with Sprucehill so far because we have very good friends who have used them in the past. There's a family connection with a friend of ours and Eric, and we've just heard really great things about them.
Yeah, we haven't seen the house probably maybe 6 weeks, and it was probably 70% complete, maybe a little bit less. But yeah, it's been a while, and we're pretty much excited to see what's going on inside.
All right, guys, welcome home. It's been a long time since I've let you see your house. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
What do you think?
It looks fantastic.
It looks amazing. It looks like a totally
completely different house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that was the idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was the idea. Let's go have a look inside.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Awesome.
Okay.
All right, let's do this.
Wow.
Holy cow. Oh my goodness, it looks fantastic. Look at the lights.
Wow.
Look at the
That's
beam.
amazing.
Holy. Oh my goodness. This looks fantastic.
So good. This is so
This
much
is
better than
overwhelming.
anything I could have imagined here.
Yeah, it looks fantastic.
That is awesome.
The finishing, like look at all the finishings and
I
everything.
know. I like the knobs there.
Yeah. but what we've done up here is like,
That's pretty awesome.
that looks great.
Yeah.
That's just the beginning.
Can I keep
Yeah.
walking more?
We're gonna go this way.
We're gonna go this way.
Yeah.
This way.
I love
Okay.
the lights.
Yeah.
Like that was such
Does that
a
not
good idea.
like this is gonna look insane at night?
I know.
Yeah.
I know. This is
I think Darren said that he was like, I will never like if I lived here, I would never turn on a pot light ever. I would just only have this
Just
on.
only
Like,
have
this is
this
the
on.
only light that I would ever have. That's
Oh my
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! It looks.
holy shiza.
I'd like to hope better.
That is amazing. This is not what the light was gonna look like at all. It looks so much like. Oh my
Jesus.
goodness. This is great. Welcome home. This looks so nice. Hey, Tara? Oh, someone's crying and it's not. This looks so fantastic, you guys. Oh my goodness. The lights, everything.
This is your home, man.
So good.
This is your home.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. That looks so
But it's real. This is yours. This is huge. This is where you get to live, man.
Yeah.
Wow.
Holy cow. Oh my goodness. This looks so good.
That looks better than I thought. That looks better than I thought.
Everything just, yeah.
The 3D
This is-
rendering, it didn't quite
No.
do it justice for you.
No.
Yeah.
I mean, you can kind of see it, but
Seeing it in person is just.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's beyond our expectations. The difference in when we were going through the interview process for contractors was Eric's organization. So he really takes the management aspect of the project seriously and in a much more sophisticated way than any of the other contractors that we'd met with.
there's a lot of cohesion with different parts, budgeting, planning, but he focused a lot on, he put a lot of emphasis on what we wanted, continued to circle back to what it is we wanted and focusing on the details that we wanted in the project. So it was obvious he wasn't just a contractor coming in to build, he was a contractor coming in to build based on the people that were gonna live in this house, and that was us.
Complex. Yeah. So we have one facing the kitchen side, and the other side faces the seated side. And it's put it down.
This looks
They're out of the way.
great, and our plants look fantastic. I'm so excited about everything. And this looks amazing, hey?
Yeah, and the texture is really good for hiding fingerprints and
Yeah.
keeping it clean. It's really easy.
Man, you guys went over the top.
How cool is that?
That's really
You'll notice
cool.
the light we installed underneath everything.
Yeah.
And how that just really sets it off, right?
Oh,
and
man.
accentuates that.
Well, I mean, I can't wait until it's like nighttime to see like the
Oh, for
full
sure.
effect of like, you know, just like the
All the accent lighting?
Accent lighting.
Accent
It's
lighting,
gonna
yeah.
look amazing. Like this was such a cool idea.
Yeah.
And yeah,
Wow.
all our appliances look fantastic.
Look.
Look, oh my gosh, and I can reach it. I can reach everything in our fridge. This is like amazing. This looks fantastic.
Yes,
Oh my
yeah.
gosh.
I think we've run the ice twice already for you, so the ice in there is good to go.
Yeah.
Standard operating procedure, like we've gone through, we've pre-fired everything, we've burned everything, we've like made sure everything works. Stove works, hood fan works, oven works, hot water works, fireplace works.
Yeah, the fireplace looks.
I'd have it on, but it is way too hot today to have a fireplace on.
Yeah.
I have to be honest with you, these pendants are amazing.
Oh, I was like, you're like.
I love them. I didn't know that you guys had picked those, and I was like, oh dude, like
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I know my wife wouldn't let me get away with them, but like I think they are insanely awesome. Like,
Yeah.
I think they are so
Yes.
cool. So other like cool features that I should point out. So the cabinet company puts hinge restrictors on the doors, so you don't bang it into the hood fan. Same thing here. Like this isn't going to bang against the cabinet door over here. We've got your lights here, so there's your cooking surface lighting.
Cool. The best part of the renovation experience for me was just their presence. And we always knew what was going on. We always knew if there were changes. We were always presented with options to what might look better or what might feel better. Hence the vaulted ceilings, which we did not think of. And Eric and his team had the idea, and we thought it was a great idea. So them essentially holding our hand and walking us through this process was probably the best part of this renovation for me.
The beam turned out really
The beam turned out
like it
really
just
good.
neatly ties in the house. Like everything just ties in together.
Yeah.
It's really great. I love it.
Yeah, I'm impressed with how well that fits up there.
I love it.
I just like I feel like when you walk in the house and you come in here. Remember like when I like first talked to you guys, I was like our goal is like when you drive down the driveway, like whether or not you physically do it or not, like it has to be a mental yes.
Yeah.
This is my house.
Yeah.
You know, and that's like it seems so far that you know,
Well, that's what I was experiencing there. Like, wow, this is our house here.
yeah.
The best part of our renovation experience with Spruce Hill was that we purchased this property and this house because we liked the property and we liked the house. And we knew we had to do a massive amount of work on it. And Spruce Hill listened to the fact that there were certain aspects of the house that we wanted to keep. And they just really took into account of why we bought this property and how we wanted to use it. Great, this looks
Try pulling out your rollouts. Right, so I mean,
Yeah.
you know, traditional pantry, like you get everything lost in the back of them, right?
Yeah.
When you've
Right.
got rollouts, like you can't lose anything. Like
Yeah.
it makes the space truly usable.
Yeah.
Well, and I'm not that tall, so it's so nice that like everything was really like focused on being able to like be pretty accessible.
So, as specified and asked for, we've got cello corner.
Yes. This room feels so much bigger than, again, this is one of those examples where the size and the shape of the room didn't change, and yet it just feels much bigger.
Well, there's a couple things, right? Like we've changed the paint, we've changed the flooring, and then the other thing that you probably didn't notice or think about is the old house, you step down into this room.
Right.
Right.
Yeah.
It's all just continuous now.
Yeah.
All right, let's check out the laundry room. So, come on in.
This
Wow.
is great.
Wow.
This is really great. Oh,
Wow, look at that.
this is fantastic. I
This
didn't
is-
know we were doing these countertops into here, Leanne. These look so great. Were we
Wow.
doing them? I thought
Yes.
this looks so nice.
Well,
This
if we
looks
weren't, we
amazing.
have.
Yeah, this is so nice.
I mean, I have to point out, again, this is just kind of normal, but like, notice how the reveals between all of the doors are all even?
Yeah.
That's not accidental.
Yeah, like I said, your trades have done such an amazing job.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, this was Millworks. They've done an amazing job on this project for us. We really enjoy working with them.
Pretty incredible.
Yeah.
this is fantastic.
Should we see the garage?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Look at
Wow.
holy.
Holy.
Oh my God.
That is awesome. Oh my
This
gosh. This looks
unreal.
insane.
Isn't that nice?
Wow.
Yes. Yes. This looks insane.
This is beyond.
I love this. I'm so glad that I chose this.
Almost don't want to drive on it, eh?
Yeah.
This looks
This
great.
looks really good.
This looks fantastic.
Right?
Yeah. Yeah. Let's see.
Wow.
So you,
Oh wow! And the light.
the
And
light, the light comes on automatically. Yeah.
This is fantastic. Oh wow.
Wow.
This looks fantastic. Holy cow.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
This is
This
amazing.
is a fantastic bathroom. Like, speak, there was just a toilet here before. Like, there wasn't a shower or anything.
Wow.
How awesome is this?
That's
Yeah.
And
awesome.
look at this drain.
Yeah.
It's insane.
Really good.
And I think it warrants pointing out, I mean, and I'm just gonna toot our own horn, like, but we're showing you the house for the first time. You're ready to move in. You've got your towel holders up,
Yes.
your toilet roll holders up. Like everything is in and dialed in.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just need to come in with our own toilet paper and away we go.
You deserve to toot your own horn.
And we created a little space for you guys out here. Just kind of modified what was here just a little bit.
Wow.
Like,
Oh, I love this.
Oh my God.
We went into this process kind of like knowing what we didn't like as opposed to knowing what we liked. So that made it actually easy in some respects because we were very open to certain recommendations and ideas from the Sprucehill team. And yeah, and that made the process, I think, work really well. And there were times where Taryn and I didn't agree on what we wanted, and Sprucehill did a really good job of trying to appease us both and work with our ideas, even if they were completely different to each other. So that was a very helpful part of the process.
Paint color, and it's just gonna glow at night.
Wow.
Oh, that is gonna be so nice.
I told you. He's gone.
Taryn and I are tight.
You made the right choice here,
I got
buddy.
you.
Yeah, this wasn't just a reno. It was, we gained some pretty positive friendships with some pretty awesome people. And Eric and his team are, you know, incredibly wonderful people. So I think that's probably the icing on the cake for us through this process, as having been exposed to these people for the last 10 months and gaining some really good people in our circle.
So this is not that big a deal, but we think it's pretty cool. It's mostly for you, Taryn. Come with me. Welcome home, buddy.
Is us.
That's fantastic. Thank you.
Oh my God, that is too good.
Tin Mint Tower, buddy.
That's awesome. What I'm most looking forward to is just living in this amazing space. I mean, it's better than what I imagined. It's better than anything I could have anticipated. So they went above and beyond. So I think I'm looking forward to just enjoying every aspect of this house.
And I'm looking forward to inviting over friends and entertaining, especially people who saw the house before the renovations. I'm really excited to see people's reactions when they walk in.
If we were to do something like this all over again, Sprucehill is a contracting company that I know I can rest easy. Go through the plans and they execute the plan to absolute detail.